Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Microsoft account and subscription tied to Word. This is the fastest fix. Once signed in, open File Account and verify the product key or active subscription because mismatched accounts cause unlicensed errors. Next, make sure Office is fully updated and run the built-in activation troubleshooter to force a recheck. If updates install, restart Word and immediately confirm license status. These steps resolve most simple activation mismatches. After the initial checks, repair Office to fix corrupted activation files. Go to Settings Apps Microsoft 365, modify and run Quick Repair, and if that fails, run Online Repair. Once done, sign out of Office everywhere and sign back in on this PC to refresh tokens. If your license uses a product key, re-enter it in Account Change Product Key. If you have multiple accounts, switch to the one that owns the subscription. These steps address deeper token and file issues. If repairs and reauthentication don't clear the unlicensed state, uninstall Office completely and reinstall from your Microsoft account portal to ensure a clean activation environment. While reinstalling, run sfc/scano and install pending Windows updates to eliminate system file conflicts. After reinstall, sign in and verify account subscription shows your license. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support with your account email, transaction ID, and screenshot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.